Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets, came out the streets with a vision. I had to get it, I really got money, now none of it fishing. And my niggas winning, now that on me and ain't going back. People be starving, want you to start with them. Most people want it, don't wanna go get it. I'm never hungry on me and like 50. I'm never talking unless it's my fingers. Foot on the pedal, taking the game to a whole nother level. I'm coming up so they scared of me, like tried to bury me. Came out the mud with a shovel, head on a swivel like Mayweather. I'm going up like it's Mayweather, I'm blowing up, I'm going up. My people say that they so proud of me, I'm growing up, yeah, yeah. I came out the street, yeah. That shit crazy, man. Nigga was down a year ago. A lot of people don't know my story. I'm just glad I'm here to tell it. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna be. Cause I came out the streets. Remember them long nights, it was me and my dog. Now we taking them long flights, just me and my dog. Remember when nobody called to check on the nigga, now I'm really popping. When I hit the mall, I blow me a check on the bitches. Don't fuck with you haters, you talking best talk with your chest, little nigga. Check yourself out, put one in your chest, little nigga. They wanted to smoke, now they talk out they neck to a nigga. Gotta stay woke, they ain't catching me slipping. Never go broke down my way to riches. Used to dream about the way that I'm living. Look up at the sky and thank God that I made it. Was down in the streets and came out with it saving. The money I'm craving, but I'm never changing. Down on my ass, the Lord put a pin on my hand and said this is my blessing. So I'ma keep going no matter what happens. Stay humble, can't fall into trapping. Can't give it up, I'm never tapping. Stay rid of my niggas, I'm never capping. Was locked in them chains, now I'm finally free. I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets.
I'm less sore when I'm going through the motions. Less sore when I'm going through the motions, yeah.
Coming from the next lane.
All fours, now you got me broken. I'm sure that's what you were hoping. I'm yours, gave you my devotion. I'm less sore when I'm going through the motions. All fours, now you got me broken. I'm sure that's what you were hoping. I'm yours, gave you my devotion. I'm less sore when I'm going through the motherfucking motions. Motions, motions. I'm less sore when my heart ain't getting broken. Broken, broken, yeah. I don't let nobody in for a reason. Check my pulse, can you tell if it's beating? Take my life, girl, I know you a demon. 105 in Cali and I feel like I'm freezing. Oh, and now you thinking that it's kosher. You can take my keys, but you gotta run me over. If we telling lies, I'ma tell you that I'm sober. Feel like I'm one day closer. All fours, now you got me broken. I'm sure that's what you were hoping. I'm yours, gave you my devotion instead. All fours, now you got me broken. I'm sure that's what you were hoping. I'm yours, gave you my devotion. I'm less sore when I'm going through the motherfucking motions. Motions, motions. I'm less sore when my heart ain't getting broken. Broken, broken, yeah. If the first two words out of mouth is I'm a rider, but she a liar, cut you Michael Myers. Hide and seek, but she only play the hider. I'm getting higher, I'm feeling tired. Take the cup, baby, I'ma need the bottle. That's enough, girl, let up all the throttle. Oh, you love to drive me through the ground, but that's just fine, so I won't be found. All fours, now you got me broken. I'm sure that's what you were hoping. I'm yours, gave you my devotion instead. Remember them hard times, but we ain't gotta talk about it. Remember them days when nobody even talked about me. Remember them ways that we ran them bags up. Now my whole team winning, know we finna act up. Ayy, run up them rats, cause I never had it. Now when I want it, then I gotta have it. I had to get back on my tiptoes, 10 toes down and a two-door. Remember had the J's from the thrift store, yeah. Came a long way from a flip phone. Got all this money on my mind, I'ma flip soon. Then I'ma look out for my dogs, they gon' flip too. A young king from the hood, making big moves, no lie. And I was down for way too many years, ayy. So being broke since then I never feared, ayy. Been hurt too much, so love I never feel, ayy. Now I'm a star, I got them on my ears, yeah. I was waking up like, what's the struggle today? I was locked up in my own head, cause I don't think how they think. I was down bad last year, and from the mud up I came. I had to get back to my bread deposits all at the bank, yeah. I had to run it up, 7,000 in 7 days wasn't good enough. Had to get back to my old ways for a couple bands. If you ain't come from where I'm from, then you won't understand. Yeah, remember them hard times, but we ain't gotta talk about it. Remember them days when nobody even talked about me. Remember them ways that we ran them bags up. Now my whole team winning, know we finna act up. Ayy, Gucci on my left, got my wrist froze. I got them Timbs on my feet, rocking big boats. And people say that I won't ever make it out of the city, and I want my